it's me, Brian. Well, guess what? The wife's away. That means we are doing some classic retro gaming tonight. And so, with Super Mario Brothers, means we gotta have some Super Smash Burgers. Ooh, we're gonna saute up some onions. Can't forget the mushrooms. Crazy rub burger sauce, toasted buns. Ooh, it's gonna be amazing. So let's strap in and let's grill crazy. All right, as you can see, we've got the Weber Kettle fired up. We've got the cast iron skillet hot on the stove and ready to go here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the onions and mushrooms going first. All you're gonna do, super simple, you just want it to cook until they kind of caramelize, which means all of the moisture has come out of the onion and it starts to brown. Sorry, I'm so excited that I just can't get the words out. So you want to get the onions caramelized, which means getting the moisture out and making sure they get nice and sweet and sticky and brown. And then those mushrooms are gonna shrink up and everything's gonna be so nice and tender, it's gonna be delicious. We've just got some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna hit the grill with that. Don't be shy. And then, just get it on the grill. Oh, hear that sizzle. Oh yeah, if you could smell this. And then a little bit of crazy rub, as seen on Grilled Crazy. And if you want to make it, why don't you pop up right over here. Oh, it smells so good already. Let's get these cooked and ready to go. Hey, for all you Super Smash Brothers fans out there, why don't you hit the comments down below, let us know what your favorite character is. Mine, Jigglypuff! And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the dinner bell to get all of our notifications so we see what's cooking. All right, we'll see you back soon. All right, these babies are done. I did add just a little bit of oil halfway through the cook just because they were getting a little bit dry. But they're perfect now, nice and soft. Oh boy, these are gonna be so good on our burgers. Oop, missed the bowl. As long as I don't miss my mouth when we get these all done up. All right, we'll get the rest of these off. I'm gonna clean up the griddle, then we'll get back to burgering. Oh baby, it's burger time. All right, so oil up this grill like we did last time. And then we're gonna do oh, hear that sizzle. 2, 3, 4. These are 3-ounce patties, and when you're pressing them down, put a little wax paper or parchment paper between. Oh, use those muscles. Oh, baby. Whoop. That's okay. They're all going to the same place. All right, that's done. We're gonna season up with a little SPG. What you want to do, get these so nice and crispy, so let them go. They're gonna be about like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on this side because they're so thin. So let them crisp up, we'll flip, we'll season again, throw some cheese on there, get it all nice and melty. Oh, my mouth is watering. I can't wait, let's do this. Boom, and then we cheese, baby. Get these all nice and melty. All right, in the meantime, while these are finishing up, let's get a nice crisp on these buns. It's almost game time. Let's get this melty and let's get building. It's burger time, baby. All right, so these burger buns are good and grilled. We're gonna sauce the bottoms, and we'll sauce the tops too. That sauce is just mayo, ketchup, a little bit of relish, some crazy rub for flavor. So good. Let's get these off. Oh, baby. Got that nice crispness of the cheese. Oh, yeah. Baby. All right, and then onion mushroom action. That's right, I'm using my hands, but guess what? I'm eating them. It's all good. Oh, if that doesn't level you up, I don't know what will. Oh, baby, if you could smell this. Those are looking perfect. Get in my belly. Oh, these look amazing. Man, I wish I had a player too. Oh, wait. I think this is how it goes. Up, down, left, right, B, A, start. Hey, there it is. It's a you, Reed.
Yeah. And I brought you a beer.
Hey, such a good guy. Full Fest Lager.
Yeah.
Little LBJ, very nice.
Clinky.
Clinky.
Well, these look terrific.
Don't they? Did all the hard work. You just showed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm ready to power up.
Let's do it. Are you player 1 or player 2?
I'll be player 2.
Yeah, all right.
Oh.
Wow. Oh, that is amazing. So simple. Got the great burger sauce, the caramelized onions, mushrooms.
Gotta have those mushrooms.
Gotta have those mushrooms. But it's just so simple. And I mean, this with prep, this took all of 20 minutes. I mean, yeah, okay, we made the buns from scratch, but I mean, go and get yourself just regular buns. We just did it for the theatrics. But like 20 minutes, you've got amazing burgers.
It's just ground beef.
That is. It's just ground beef. Press it, the salt, pepper, garlic. It's just so easy. It's so simple and so delicious. You know what? We're talking about these burger toppings. You know, I already asked you a question, but I'm going to ask you another one. Down in the comments, let us know what makes your Super Smash Burger. What are your toppings? What do you like? Let us know. And speaking of smash.
No lettuce for me either.
Oh, no. I'm not a lettuce guy. I get it.
Lettuce? No.
Yeah. Took a minute. Anyways, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Get into all this weird stuff that we're doing and this amazing food. We love you. We want to see what you're doing. So, as we always say,
if you're gonna grill
grill crazy.